Welcome back to our channel, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an important topic for those with type 2 diabetes, the low-carb diet. We'll be answering your burning questions and sharing some scrumptious low-carb recipes that are not only diabetes-friendly, but also incredibly delicious. So, if you or someone you know is dealing with type 2 diabetes, keep watching to learn more. Segment 1. Can type 2 diabetics do a low-carb diet? One of the most common questions is, can type 2 diabetics follow a low-carb diet? The answer is a resounding yes. In fact, a low-carb diet can be highly beneficial for managing blood sugar levels. Always consult your doctor before making significant dietary changes. Segment 2. What foods can diabetics eat freely for dinner? Are you wondering what you can enjoy guilt-free for dinner? Opt for non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, cauliflower, and zucchini. These are low in carbs and high in nutrients, making them perfect choices for a diabetes-friendly meal. Segment 3. How many carbs should a type 2 diabetic eat daily? Now let's tackle the daily carb intake. The amount can vary depending on factors like activity level and medications, but a general guideline is around 100 grams of carbs per day. Be sure to work with a healthcare professional to determine the right amount for you. Segment 4. Alternatives to carbs for diabetics. Craving something other than carbs? Good news. You can replace them with healthy fats, lean proteins, and high-fiber foods like legumes. These alternatives help keep your blood sugar stable and support overall health. Segment 5. Eggs in a type 2 diabetic diet. Eggs are a protein-packed powerhouse that's a great addition to a diabetic diet. You can enjoy them in moderation, but aim for no more than 3-4 whole eggs per week. Egg whites can be enjoyed more frequently due to their lower fat content. Segment 6. High blood sugar without carbs. Have you ever experienced high blood sugar levels even when you're not consuming many carbs? This phenomenon can be due to factors like stress, lack of sleep, or certain medications affecting insulin sensitivity. It's a reminder that managing diabetes involves more than just carb control. Segment 7. Is rice okay for diabetics? The rice debate. While brown rice is a better option than white rice due to its higher fiber content, portion control is key. If you're a rice lover, consider alternatives like cauliflower rice or quinoa for a lower carb option. Segment 8. Foods diabetics should avoid. It's crucial to know which foods to avoid. Here are 10 items to steer clear of: sugary drinks, processed snacks, white bread, sugary cereals, fried foods, excessive sugary fruits, high-fat dairy, sweetened yogurts, sugary condiments, and desserts loaded with refined sugars. Segment 9. Midnight snacking for diabetics. Late-night hunger pangs. Opt for a small, balanced snack to keep your blood sugar steady. Try Greek yogurt with a few berries, a handful of nuts, or a slice of whole-grain toast with almond butter. That wraps up today's video on managing type 2 diabetes with a low-carb diet. Remember, every individual's needs are unique, so it's essential to work closely with your healthcare team to create a meal plan that suits you best. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you next time.